Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make cheese tortellini. For this, we're going to need about 80 squares of pasta dough. I'm actually going to be using my wonton wrapper recipe from this channel, 1 egg, a half cup of shredded mozzarella, a quarter cup of shredded Parmesan, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, a half teaspoon of dried basil, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, an eighth teaspoon of nutmeg, and 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. We'll start by making our cheese filling. We'll whisk together our 15 ounces of ricotta, our egg, teaspoon of dried parsley, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of dried basil, half cup of shredded mozzarella, quarter cup of shredded Parmesan, and eighth teaspoon of ground nutmeg in a large bowl. Then we'll form our tortellini by placing approximately 1 teaspoon of our filling in the middle of each square of pasta dough, folding it into a triangle, and then into a crescent shape, using water to seal until we filled all of our pasta. Then we'll fill a large pot about 2/3 of the way full with water and bring it to a boil on the stovetop over high heat. We'll cook our pasta until it starts to float to the top, about 3 minutes, and then drain it in the sink. We'll serve these with our favorite pasta sauce. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.